Have you ever gazed at a sunset and thought, if only I could bottle this glow for my health? Well, nature beat us to it with turmeric, a spice that not only turns your curry a brilliant shade of gold, but also packs a health punch strong enough to knock out a range of ailments. This ancient root, revered in culinary and medicinal traditions across the globe, is not just a pretty face in the spice cabinet. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the plant world, equipped to tackle inflammation, oxidative stress, and even the blues, with scientific studies to back its superhero status. So, let's dive into the golden world of turmeric and discover why incorporating this spice into your life might just be the health upgrade you've been searching for. And don't worry, we promise to keep the science as digestible as a well-seasoned dish. Kindly take note that all the content featured in this video has been thoroughly fact-checked and reviewed to ensure its impartiality and accuracy. However, it is intended for general knowledge and educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or heal any condition. Stick with us till the end of this video to empower yourself with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. 1. Unleashing the Golden Power, turmeric's anti-inflammatory marvels. Turmeric, often hailed as the golden spice, is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory benefits, making it more than just a culinary delight. Its active ingredient, curcumin, dives deep into the body's mechanisms, blocking inflammatory pathways and acting almost like nature's own ibuprofen, but without the side effects. This golden marvel has been shown to rival the efficacy of some anti-inflammatory drugs, offering a beacon of hope for those battling chronic conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even some cancers. Beyond just soothing inflammation, turmeric's effects extend to enhancing overall wellness, embodying the spice's ancient wisdom in promoting healing from within. As we embrace turmeric in our diets, we're not just seasoning our food, we're unleashing a golden wave of health benefits poised to combat inflammation at its root. 2. The spice of life. Turmeric's antioxidant treasure trove. Turmeric is not just a spice, it's a treasure trove of antioxidants, earning it the title of the spice of life. Its vibrant yellow compound, curcumin, is a mighty defender against oxidative stress, shielding cells from the damaging effects of free radicals. This golden spice offers a protective embrace to our bodies, enhancing our natural antioxidant defenses and paving the way for longevity and vitality. By incorporating turmeric into our daily rituals, we're not merely adding flavor to our dishes, we're infusing our lives with a layer of protection against the wear and tear of aging. Turmeric stands as a beacon of health, illuminating the path to a life enriched with the natural goodness of antioxidants. 3. Golden mind. Turmeric's curcumin ignites brain health. Turmeric, with its golden touch, is not only a feast for the eyes, but a boon for the brain, earning it the moniker Golden Mind. The star compound curcumin ignites brain health by promoting neurogenesis and paving pathways for improved cognitive function. It's like a brain workout, enhancing memory, mood, and focus, and even offering a shield against neurodegenerative diseases. This ancient spice serves as a key to unlocking potential brain health benefits, acting as a natural neuroprotective agent. By integrating turmeric into our diets, we're not just spicing up our meals, we're firing up our brain's capacity to thrive, safeguarding our mental agility for years to come. 4. Heart of gold. Turmeric's curative touch on cardiovascular wellness. Turmeric's curative touch extends its golden embrace to the heart, making it a heart of gold in the realm of spices. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is at the forefront of cardiovascular wellness, working diligently to improve endothelial function and reduce inflammation, key factors in heart health. This ancient spice acts as a guardian, protecting against arterial plaque buildup and lowering the risk of heart attacks and strokes. By incorporating turmeric into our lives, we're not just seasoning our food, we're fortifying our hearts against the challenges of modern ailments. Turmeric, with its heart protective properties, is a testament to the power of natural remedies in nurturing not just the body, but the heart within. 5. Turmeric's touch, a natural balm for pain relief. Turmeric's embrace extends beyond culinary delight, revealing itself as a natural balm for pain relief, offering solace to those in discomfort. Its active component, curcumin, works its magic by reducing inflammation and pain, akin to nature's gentle caress on aching joints and muscles. This golden spice has been shown to offer relief for chronic conditions such as arthritis, where it soothes without the harsh side effects of traditional painkillers. Incorporating turmeric into your lifestyle can be a simple, yet profound step towards managing pain naturally, allowing you to embrace each day with renewed ease and comfort. Turmeric's touch, thus, is not just an addition to our meals, but a gift to our well-being, painting our journey to health with strokes of gold. 6. The digestive dynamo, turmeric's soothing spice. Turmeric, the golden spice, emerges as a digestive dynamo, soothing and enhancing the digestive system with its natural prowess. Its key compound, curcumin, works wonders in stimulating bile production, essential for breaking down fats and improving digestion. Beyond its role in metabolism, turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties offer relief from bloating, gas, and digestive discomfort, making it a gentle yet powerful ally for gut health. Integrating turmeric into your diet not only adds a splash of color and flavor to your dishes, but also supports your digestive tract in performing its vital functions with ease. This ancient spice, therefore, not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also acts as a soothing balm for digestive wellness, reinforcing its status as a cornerstone in the pursuit of holistic health. 7. Turmeric's golden shield, battling cancer with curcumin. Turmeric dons a golden shield in the fight against cancer, with its mighty warrior curcumin leading the charge. This potent compound delves deep into the cellular level, disrupting the pathways that cancer cells thrive on, effectively putting a halt to their nefarious spread. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant prowess not only prevents cell damage, but also inhibits tumor growth and metastasis, showcasing a beacon of hope for those in the battle against this formidable foe. Turmeric's curcumin doesn't just confront cancer, it also fortifies the body's defenses, making it a critical ally in the quest for health and longevity. Embracing turmeric in our daily lives is akin to wielding a powerful weapon in the arsenal against cancer, illuminating a path toward healing and resilience with its radiant glow. 8. Turmeric's ray of hope, illuminating the path through depression. Turmeric casts a ray of hope across the shadowed paths of depression, with its vibrant compound curcumin lighting the way. This natural marvel dives into the brain's chemistry, boosting neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are pivotal in uplifting mood and combating the tendrils of despair. Its anti-inflammatory properties also target the underlying inflammation often linked to depressive states, offering a holistic approach to mental wellness. Incorporating turmeric into daily life is like embracing a beam of sunlight, a simple act that can lead to significant shifts in mental health and perspective. Through the lens of turmeric, we find not just a spice, but a beacon of hope, guiding those affected by depression towards a brighter, more vibrant horizon. 9. Turmeric's glow, nature's secret for radiant skin. Turmeric, the golden spice of ancient lore, holds nature's secret to radiant skin, casting a glow that emanates from within. Its active ingredient, curcumin, wields the power to soothe inflammation, diminish scars, and fight off acne-causing bacteria, acting as a natural, gentle remedy for a plethora of skin concerns. Beyond its surface-level benefits, turmeric's antioxidant properties guard the skin against environmental damage, slowing down the signs of aging and bestowing a youthful, vibrant complexion. Incorporating this spice into skincare routines or diets lights up the skin, mirroring the golden hue of turmeric itself. Thus, turmeric doesn't just spice up our meals, it infuses our skin with a natural glow, unveiling the beauty of health that shines from the inside out. 10. Turmeric's liver love, a natural elixir for liver health. Turmeric's embrace extends far beyond culinary delight, offering a golden elixir of life for the liver, our body's detox powerhouse. This vibrant spice acts as a guardian angel, enhancing liver function, stimulating bile production, and protecting against toxins and inflammation that threaten liver health. Its antioxidant prowess shields liver cells from damage, while its ability to facilitate the liver's repair process underscores turmeric's role as a vital ally in maintaining liver wellness. Incorporating turmeric into one's diet is like sending a love letter to the liver, nurturing it with nature's most potent protective compounds. In the journey towards holistic health, turmeric stands out as a beacon of hope, ensuring the liver's resilience and vitality are preserved, one golden spoonful at a time. Incorporating turmeric into your daily life is easier than you might think, and it goes way beyond just curries. Here are some simple, yet effective ways to make this golden spice a regular part of your routine. Start with a splash in smoothies. Add a pinch of turmeric to your morning smoothie. Its earthy flavor pairs well with sweet fruits like mango, pineapple, or banana. Plus, it gives your breakfast drink a health-boosting kick. Golden milk. Also known as turmeric latte, this comforting beverage is a fantastic way to wind down in the evening. Heat a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based. Stir in a teaspoon of turmeric, a dash of black pepper to enhance absorption, honey to taste, and a sprinkle of cinnamon or ginger for extra spice. Spice up your soups. Turmeric can add depth and warmth to soups and stews. Whether it's a vegetable soup or a chicken stew, a teaspoon of turmeric can elevate the flavor and nutritional profile. Turmeric tea. Brew a soothing cup of turmeric tea by simmering turmeric with water and lemon. Sweeten with honey for a simple, healthful drink that can aid digestion and reduce inflammation. Season your vegetables. Sprinkle turmeric on roasted or sautéed vegetables. It pairs wonderfully with cauliflower, potatoes, and greens, giving your side dishes a colorful and antioxidant-rich boost. Enhance your grains. Add turmeric when cooking rice, quinoa, or couscous. It not only infuses these staples with its health benefits, but also turns them a beautiful golden color, making your meals visually appealing. Marinades and dressings. Incorporate turmeric into marinades for meats or dressings for salads. Its bold flavor complements ingredients like olive oil, vinegar, and herbs, adding an anti-inflammatory punch to your proteins and greens. Turmeric paste for golden butter. Mix turmeric powder with softened butter and a pinch of salt to create a golden butter. Spread it on your toast, add it to steamed vegetables, or use it to sauté ingredients for an instant flavor and health boost. Homemade snacks. Add turmeric to homemade granola, energy bars, or popcorn for a savory snack. Its subtle flavor pairs well with both sweet and salty ingredients. Turmeric capsules. If you're not a fan of the taste but still want the benefits, consider taking turmeric supplements. Consult with a healthcare provider to determine the right dosage for you. Remember, while turmeric is versatile and beneficial, it's important to consume it in moderation. And, as with any dietary change, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medication, it's wise to consult a healthcare professional before making turmeric a regular part of your health regimen. And there we have it, Golden Warriors. We've delved deep into the golden yellow world of turmeric, uncovering its myriad of health benefits, from fighting inflammation and warding off chronic diseases to giving your skin that natural glow and boosting your brain health. Remember, this isn't just any spice, it's your culinary ally and wellness partner, ready to sprinkle its magic on your meals and your health. So, the next time you're in your kitchen, reach for that turmeric and remember, you're not just spicing up your dish, you're fortifying your health with every golden pinch. If you're hungry for more enlightening health tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. So, until our next adventure, keep sprinkling that turmeric, and let's continue transforming our health, one golden spoonful at a time.